Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the code execution could not be processed because Steam API 64DLL is not found error. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay, open it up. Now go ahead and type in dll-files.com. Once done, just hit on enter. Wait for the website to load, and once it loads, go ahead and type in the URL box steam_API 64.dll. All right, just like what the error says. Go ahead and click on search DLL files, and here we have it. Just click on it. Now go ahead and scroll down and find the latest upload right here. Just click on download, wait for the download page to pop up, and once done, go ahead and save it on your desktop. Save, wait for it. I'm going to close the browser. Here we have the file. Okay, I'm going to right click on it, WinRAR, extract here. Now, what we'll do is just find this DLL file. Right click on it and hit on copy. Then once done, go ahead and open up your file explorer. In here, go to drive C. Now locate Windows, double click, scroll all the way down until you find System32. Right here, double click. Now right click on a blank space, then hit on paste. Okay, there'll be a pop-up. Just click on continue. Once that's done, click on back. Go ahead and find syswow64. Here, double click, right click, and hit on paste. Hit on continue once more. All right, and once that's done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.